Hello, good evening, Vishal.
Hi, good evening, Roshni.
So, welcome to the interview.
Thank you.
Hope you're doing good.
Yeah, thank you.
So, Vishal, it seems that I have gone through your resume and it seems that you're comfortable with the Java programming. So, hence, we shall proceed with some questions related to Java.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, ma'am.
So, yes, can you just tell me what feature of Java, or in fact, what helps the Java to write it once and run it anywhere? What is that?
Uh, I think it is because of platform independent feature in Java that allows you to run the bytecode in any other operating system. And that makes it portable across different systems.
That's great. So now, okay, if suppose let's assume that if a person says that I have written a Java code without the main method and it is perfectly fine. So can you please justify his statement?
See, without main method, we cannot execute Java code. So it will not run.
Okay, so you mean to say that okay, without the main method, the program will not run. Oh,
Correct.
so is there any problem syntactically if we are not writing the main method in a program?
No, syntax wise, it will compile. It will compile and we will have that class file. So bytecode will be there, but we cannot execute that.
So can you just tell me what is the difference between JVM and JDK?
See, both are frameworks. Java virtual machine is used to execute the programs, and JDK is the library. That's all what I know. But
Okay, okay.
to work with Java, we need both. That's all what I remember.
Okay, that's great. Yes. So yeah, moving on. So can you just tell me what is a wrapper class?
No, I don't remember. Sorry.
So yeah, so let's move on to some other questions. So can you just tell me that, say for example, in our program, if I have not written static along with the main method, so what will happen?
Then again, that program will not execute because the signature of main, it has to be static to run that method. But it will still compile.
So can we have multiple main method in a program, or how is it?
I have never tried creating that kind of a class, but looking at concept of method overloading, it should allow me. It should allow me to write a main method with different signature. Okay. But I've never tried that.
Okay, you have not tried. Okay. And yes, coming to the method overloading concept, can you just explain on that method overloading?
Okay, method overloading means within a class, I can have multiple methods with same name and different parameters. So different parameter types is required with method name. Same method name, but different parameter types. Okay, and sequence. That is method overload.
Okay. So coming to some advanced topics. So can you just tell me that can we have multiple catch block along with a single try block? Is that combination possible?
Yes, it is possible.
So coming to this, let's for example, we are having a program like we have a class as demo, and in that we have a try block where we have a variable y equal to 10 by 0 and in the try block, and we have one catch block. The first catch block is
can I just write down based on your instructions so I can remember?
Sure, Vish.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, can you please repeat?
So we have a demo class.
Okay.
With the main method.
Okay.
And in that we have a variable y of integer type.
Okay.
So y equal to 10 by 0.
Okay.
Okay. And also we have the catch block, means this is in the try block, this code. Okay. And we have a catch block like first catch is it is mentioned exception, and in the second catch we are mentioning arithmetic exception. Okay. So like arithmetic exception occurred, so we are printing some message and some exception occurred in both of this catch block. So can you just tell me what is the output of this particular code?
So I'm writing y is equal to 10 divided by 0. Directly I'm writing that?
Yes.
Okay. But it should raise arithmetic exception, correct?
So this code will work fine, means it will print that arithmetic exception occurred.
No, I think this line y is equal to 10 divided by 0 will not compile.
Okay, so why you're saying so? Any logic behind this?
I when I wrote some similar code in Eclipse for this kind of statement, when I'm putting directly divide by 0, it was showing some red line, and then I had to change it. So but it should raise arithmetic exception. Beyond that, I don't know. I don't remember. Sorry.
Okay. So yes, moving on. So can you just tell me what is the difference between array and array list?
Array has fixed size of elements. Array list is dynamic. We can keep on adding or removing elements. So it will. It can hold a dynamic collection.
So can you just give me an example where we can prefer array over array list? Such example.
Array over array list.
Yes. Where we will prefer array over array list. Give me such example.
If I have fixed set, then we will prefer array. If the value is going to remain dynamic, then it has to be list. Suppose if I'm writing a program and it says that a class has 50 students. So if that number 50 always remains fixed, then it is better we go with array because it is fixed. It is not going to change.
Okay, that's great. So can you just tell me why we are not considering map as a collection, or why map is not considered as a collection? Any idea on that?
No, only I know is map can hold key value pairs. That's all.
Okay, Vishal. So we are done with the technical round, and shall we move on to the next round?
I have one. Can I ask something, ma'am? So, what will happen in the try catch? What you mentioned to know that.
So in that particular example, it will get some compilation error because already the exception is cached by the superclass that is exception, right?
Okay.
So already if in the first catch block, if we have mentioned exception, right? So then there is no need to put the other subclass that is arithmetic
Okay.
exception. So hence we will get the compilation error.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Roshni. So, fine. So, you have completed technical round, right? Okay, fine. I'll take on with the manager round.
Thank you. Thank you, Shri.
Yeah, yeah. So, fine. Vishal, I would like to know, like, what is your comfort level in Java? Like, you have just have the basics, or just up to medium level, or you are very good at Java? Can I know?
Sir, I'm basics to medium. I cannot confirm whether basics or medium in between those two.
Okay, that means just core Java you are aware, and above that just you know some topics, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's say that I need you for certain role where I need expertise in Java. Okay. I mean to say like even the advanced topics like advanced Java or even J2E and JSP. I think you have heard about these terms, right?
Yes.
Servlets. Okay, fine. So let's say that I have got such a requirement, and I want you, let's say that I want to take you to immediately into that role. So can you tell me how many days you will take to learn all those things and you become ready for those technologies?
Sir, will I be getting faculty support, or I should be learning everything on my own?
Yeah, you say like, do you require faculty support or can you learn on your own?
I can learn on my own, but suppose if I get stuck somewhere, then I will definitely need some help, because at learning level, if we are stuck somewhere, that is what I have observed. Like when I was learning some exception happens, and if there is no faculty or friend to help out, it will take very long to fix that.
Okay.
And so yes, if some support is there, I can definitely learn faster.
Okay. Let's say that nobody is there to help you out. Then in that case, what you have to do? Generally, what you do? Let's say that
Okay.
it's a completely lockdown and physical I can't provide. Even I can say that virtual I can't provide you help through my faculty. And fine, you have got the access to any other. Maybe you have the access to other resources. So can you tell me how you plan? If at all, if I am not providing any resources, but still I want you to cope up with all those advanced topics what I've mentioned, then what you will do?
Uh, so first is I will search for good learning material to
Okay.
start with. And yes, if the project team can give me some good learning references, that is something best. Okay.
Yeah.
And then yes, I will start. I will focus mainly on the hands-on part instead of just reading for entire days. And hands-on, when I get stuck, yes, I will try to Google out that particular error and try to see how it goes. Other thing which I feel is really best approach, and I have tried that, is to learn with some videos where live demo is covered. So
Okay.
we can practice with those steps which are covered in the video, and so mostly we will not get stuck, because in video everything is very clear.
Yeah.
That's how I will learn. Okay.
But again, I have got another question also. I already asked you how much time you need it.
Uh, Sir, I can say that per some advanced topic, maybe 5 days around I will need for advanced topic.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I think, yes, I will be allowed to study for entire day, right?
Yeah, I'll not be giving you any task. Just I want you to learn. That's it. And you need to become ready to for my task, whatever I'm going to give. That's
So
it.
5 days per any advanced framework I can think of.
Okay, that's good. Fine. One more question. As per the interview went and our technical panel even asked and in the Java, and it seems you are interested in Java. Fine. But suddenly my requirement changes, and instead of taking you into Java, I would like to take into something like Python or .NET. Are you ready? Or just you want to be in only Java?
No, I'm ready for any technology, but I assume that same time will be given to me, like you asked for advanced topics to learn and
Yeah.
prepare myself. So yes, if that time is given to me, I'm ready for any technology.
Okay, good. That means once again the learning you'll be taking up on your own. If
Yes,
at all, if anything is, if I'm not able to provide, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Are you looking for a particular role? Do you have any mind in your mind? If at all,
I like coding. Yeah, I
Mhm.
have written a lot of code. I have also tried to appear for Code Vita. So yes, if coding related role, if I get, I will enjoy more.
Mhm.
But I'm open for any role as far as I can learn more and get more expertise.
Okay, fine. That's good. So, like for example, even like TCS is very vast, and even I may be giving you a role in support. Okay, so it's a tech support. So, are you ready for that, or do you have any reservations?
Sir, if my learning and is continuously guaranteed, I am ready for any role.
Okay. So, apart from Java, did you learn any other technologies?
I know little a bit SQL I have done with the Java
Okay.
and SQL. UI also I have done, but more into programming. So SQL is something, yes, I can. I have created database for projects and written some queries.
Okay. So, which database you have used?
I have used Oracle.
Okay. Any other databases?
SQL Server, little I know, little bit, but mainly I have worked on Oracle.
So, did you find any differences when you're working with Oracle and SQL Server?
Some data type difference was there. Say integer data type, like I want a numeric field. How you define in SQL Server, I think you have to use int, and Oracle you have to use number.
Okay.
So those
Apart
kind
from
of,
that, like, yeah, it's fine. That is the minor differences. Yeah, that's good. But any major, like you learned SQL to interact with the database. Again, the same
okay.
SQL you have used with SQL Server, or any differences?
No. SQL Server, I had to create separate database and then create tables. But in Oracle, there was nothing like you create database. It was directly you start the server and you have to start with creating tables and everything. So that was one difference I could make out.
Okay, that's good. Fine. So here, fine, I'll conclude this, and further you will be intimated with the results by our team.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Can I ask one question, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Any feedback for me?
Yeah, coming to the general feedback, yes, will not be anyhow able to discuss in detail about this.
No,
But yes,
anything is I can improve further. That kind of feedback I'm looking at.
yeah. So once if you are answering any question, definitely you should be confident in answering that. And if you don't know anything, definitely you have to say sorry. That's anyhow that I'll appreciate that already you have it in the correct line. And then coming to a particular technology, like instead of diverting into the different technology, it's good to stick to a single technology. And the next thing is you have to be open, okay, and you have to be flexible.